Now let's add our promote screen. So for that we are going to make a new file, dart file, pro mode promote underscore screen. We can just copy everything from our photo screen and paste it here, and then we can change the name to promote screen. And now we are going to change few things here. So for that, after this position at the bottom, we can add position bottom 150, left 0, right 0, and child flutter slider values exposure value. So let's add that above here. Double exposure value equals to 0.0. Let's add exposure mode equals to exposure mode dot auto, and list double exposure offsets equals to minus 1.0, minus 0.5, 0.0, 0.5. So that's it. Now let's go back at the bottom and add exposure value here. Then we can add minimum value minus 1.0 and maximum 1.0. Decoration, box decoration, colors dot black 45, and on dragging handler index lower value and upper value. Set state exposure value equals to lower value. If underscore exposure mode not equals to exposure mode dot auto, then set state exposure mode equals to exposure mode dot auto. Controller set exposure mode exposure mode. After if we can add controller dot set exposure mode offset lower value. Let's go to photo screen, and here we can add a gesture detector. On tap, navigator dot push context material page route, pro mode, screen cameras, widget dot cameras. Now let's see our app. Let's go to pro mode, and when we scroll our scroller, we can see that its exposure is increasing. Now when I hit tab, you can see we clicked an image with much higher exposure. So our pro mode is working, and that is for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. So subscribe to my channel, and sorry I couldn't work with ISO and focal distance because Flutter Camera doesn't provide that. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.